what's interesting about his mouth, if you look at this, you guys want on this side. When I open up his mouth, we did not hurt his jaw, but do you see how his jaw comes apart? Do you see how his lower mandible comes apart? Yeah. That's because, why do you think he has to split his mandible like that? Okay, 10th graders. 3rd graders, why do you think he might split his mandible to swallow something that big? Look how big that is. Okay? Also want you to see, look how small those teeth are. Can you see all the way down there? They're like needles. They're really tiny. And they hurt. That's why I'm not sticking my hand in there. When we first opened it up, we took these things and pried it open so we could see. I want you to see, I know everyone wants to see his tongue. Oh, no. Do you see his fork?
Yes.
Okay, he uses that to self-smell. And he has an air tube in here. See that hole?
Yes.
Mr. Brewster, are you going to do your magic
final
again?
Sure.
Okay. So, when you breathe, your trachea is attached to what big organ? Do you know what your trachea, where the breath, your air comes down, what's it attached to? Your lungs. Good. So Mr. Brewster's going to show you something. I want you to look right here. See where it's really bright pinky red right here? No. You see if I can hold the boat. A 10th grader with a glove. Right here. Ladies, come on in here. Let's hold this a little bit.
What's in need?
Now watch right there. We're in this little... Or you'll
See that?
Oh,
okay, watch. What's happening?
it's expanding.
It's expanding. Good word. It's expanding because what's happening?
Air is going in.
Air is going into the lungs. Okay, so that's how it breathes. Now what's interesting is on the inside of his lung, we cut this one open. Do you see the inside of that lung? It's really bright pink still. And do you see all those white lines? That's all the places where the air gets captured. Okay, this is his kidney. Okay, and then where his heart is. We haven't opened this up yet, so the textbooks, we're all going to be opening this for here in a minute. Okay? Now as you look down, you look down, right here, right here above S-ray. Friends, I know you're saying. Right here above S-ray. This is some more organs. This is the gallbladder, and this is probably, we think, maybe the pancreas. Okay? A lot of other fat. The fat's there to help protect the organs while he's moving around. See, it helps protect it. All right? Now, we also have some big veins coming through here. See these veins? Traveling the blood all the way down. And here's some intestine. Here's some intestine. So as he's processing all of his food, it comes out of his stomach. And the stomach is right here. You see that lining? So this is the inside of the stomach lining. And then that's the outside there. So that's the stomach, and it went around the goose. And see, there's a big, big vein right there. You see that big vein? You guys can see on the other side. So, and then it attaches to these intestines. You know, after you digest your food, it goes down into your intestines and comes out down here. Right? So, it's traveling, the intestine, look, see, it's traveling all the way down here. And then there's a hole right here called its vents that we started cutting at, and it's just right there. And that's where everything comes out, the ends. Okay? And so this is all still fat. We are not exactly sure what this is. We cut it out. We know it's some kind of organ. But I'm really not sure what. We've got 2 of them. Thanks, Jerry. He's got 2 of them, and they were down here at the lower part of his body. So it's something we're going to have to discover. The other thing to show you, we haven't gotten to take out the spinal cord yet. He's really pretty big. So we've been taking the skin off. Okay? And what's interesting about the skin is if you look, see his blood veins right here? You see how they come in a line and then they come across like this?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see that? You come down here, you get to see that a little bit. Interesting how the veins move. I'm trying to think what else I can tell you real quick. I guess that's about all we can tell you right quick.
Thank you, Mrs. Tan.
What?
Behave. It would hurt, I think. Don't you think?
I don't want it to have
Okay. All right. So, you can't really see the pretty, you're not going to really see the pretty scales anymore, but we've got some really interesting scales. Don't touch them. You have to wash your hands. All right. I hope you had fun getting a look at the inside of the snake.